Hi guys, it's me and welcome back to my channel. Today's hashtag Squad shoutouts go out to a different channel, Rosie's Corner and Alexa Star. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong, but today I'm going to be showing you my top 10 favorite squeezamals. These are squishies mixed with plush. I think it's a very cool idea and all of them are super cute, so it was so hard to decide only 10 that were my favorites. But let's get on with the video. First we have this zebra, and I love the face. It doesn't have like a mouth or anything, but these are so nice. This is also one of the slower rising ones. It's hard to tell kind of, and I know I still have the tags on them. And this is from series 2, Scented Like Grape. I love the fur, how it's rainbow too. Also, this is in no order. I'm just showing you my top 10 favorites. Next, we have the pig. This is probably one of my top 5 favorites. But this is so slow rising and soft, first of all. And then I just love the color of it, and it's just really cool. I like how the stars are in the eyes to show like the light, kind of. Really soft. This is also from, I'm not sure what series. It's called Penelope Pig. It doesn't say what series this is from, though. Next favorite of mine is from the Valentine's series. This is really cool because I've never seen a heart, like, squeezamal besides their Valentine's series, which is so unique. I love the legs too. These aren't squishy, but they're plush. And here it is. There's a bunch of hearts to collect. I really want to get the fuzzy one. Next is one of the super jumbo ones. This is, I think, the bigger squeezamals they have. This one you need like 2 hands to squish. It's like really big. But also has the star eyes, which I love. This is, I think, is a deer, and I also like the tail, how it's like a diamond kind of, and then hearts as the spots. It's really cute. And this is Scented Like Grape. Also, I like this one, which is also Scented Like Grape. I got in the same package from Squeezamal. This is their series 2 jumbo ones. This is so big and very soft. Sorry I keep hitting the camera, they're just really big. Next is, I love their mush me, sorry. Now these have clay in them. I saw someone cut one open. If I remember, I will put a link in the description to their channel or to the video. This is really nice because you can just mush it and it's like really different. It doesn't have a texture like the other squeezamals. It's really nice. It's also scented. Just warning you though that these can dry out, so just keep sure to not put them in too cold of a place, because I have one that did dry out sadly, but that's totally fine. Next is this dog squeezamal. This is Bruce the puppy. Doesn't have the tag, only this one left, but this is really nice. Also, it's not that slow rising though. And the last 3 of my favorites are all minis, or not minis, but smaller than these. Really nice. This is the purple narwhal. Next is Callie the cat. This is the backpack clips. The last 2 were the backpack clips. This was actually my first ever squeezamals. And last but not least, out of my top 10 favorites, is this cat. This is their micro series. It's really small, but they're so fun to collect because there's so many. That's all I have for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share this video with all your friends and family. See you next time. Bye!